name is Eric Phipps, and I'm with Junction Networks and OnSIP.com. Today is January 3rd, and we're going to be unboxing the VTech VH6102 ErisTerminal SIP DECT headset. From the name and model number of this device, you'd expect it to be part of the ErisTerminal DECT line, but this is actually intended to work with the VSP 725, 726, and 736 line of desk phones, and the ErisStation VCS 752 conference phone. We're going to be taking a look at this, even though it's a headset, because it's included as an accessory for a larger batch of VTech phones. There is no indication that this is going to work with any other manufacturer, so keep that in mind. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a look and see what's inside the box. Right away, already losing focus. Okay, so as you can tell, it's a fairly small box. Everything feels like it's pretty snug, so let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside the box. Okay, let's go ahead and take this out first. This is the user's manual, and this is actually going to fold out to be poster sized as opposed to being a usual manual or usual manual pamphlet sort of thing. Let's see what else we have in here. Looks like we have a couple of different headset options, so depending on what you wanted to go ahead and do with that, if you needed it over the ear rather than just something that sits in the ear. So it looks like you have something that goes over the top of the head or something that goes behind the neck. And here is the actual unit itself. So as you can see, it looks pretty small. It weighs practically nothing. There's like no heft to this whatsoever. But there does appear to be a battery pack to install. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put this together and see how much it weighs then. Okay, it looks like we don't have to do anything else. We just need to slide this on. Whoops. And still weighs pretty much next to nothing. You can tell that this thankfully comes with a little bit of charge shipped into it. Looks like you have a variety of different earpieces. So depending on if you have a large ear hole or a smaller, I guess, auditory canal, is that the right term for it? I don't know. I'm not a scientist. Oops. If you hit the button, it sounds like there is a voice that says something. I'm going to actually move it off screen temporarily so I can get it closer to our microphone so you can hear what it says if you push this button. So give me 1 second. So essentially you have this very English voice saying not registered, which makes sense. Okay, and what do we have in here? I guess it's probably going to be a battery charging station. And it is. Look at that. Okay. So it comes with this actually already plugged in. This is actually pretty weighty, so it's not going to like move around that much. I wish that there's no rubber things here in the back. I kind of wish that there were, but you know, take what you can get. It's not going to accidentally move around too much if you bang into it. Let's see, how easily does this slot in? Yeah, relatively easily. And as you can see, there's actually a little divot here for the microphone piece, so that if it gets knocked into, it just knocks into that, as opposed, it has like a little bit more give as opposed to just sort of knocking directly into the plastic. Here is a dampener, so you can have a little bit of a filter. I'm not going to try to put this on. Yeah, that's not going to go on easily, so I'm not going to embarrass myself on video on the internet, or at least not trying to put that on. And it looks like that's it. It doesn't seem like there's anything else in the box. Alright, so really what we would normally do is we would review a device, but there's really not much to review. I guess we'll try to throw in a couple of different pieces and we'll see how well it fits. And then I guess we'll try to figure out how long the battery lasts and how far away from the actual device you can use the headset. And so yeah, so that is the VTech DECT headset. I hope you found this informative. Have a good day.